Bomachoge Borabu aseri tukulia ni kubono omo bunge wensemeyo badia Barongo aene kyo kuru wechi basari ya sensemeyo anemono gochia sabana walba kuru asechinka tintaka okono korenseme ni gabwa abwata ni korenseme bali ganike tambukire kyo na gotebuna bachiko ne kya boro kiwango nyara barako endra na masoma yo badia Barongo itera service ya CDF ase bunge yuni gobona tebiruna na achiko endra gosira chisemi ase bunge yuno tokomanywa no mulikito jure kerubo
Nchereyemo yogosira chisemi ni gomo bongo Bomachoge Borabu nolfasono badia Barongo ritukoria rero abakago chakya okwena no wechi basari wechi chiskuru imeyecha bisi cha CDF umochio Kenyanya.
Today we've had a colorful ceremony here to mark the official launch of the bursaries for Bomachoge Borabu for 2023 and 2024. We've given a total of 60 million shillings to a total of 10,534 beneficiaries. I'm happy to report that our people are happy. The number of beneficiaries this year has increased 24% compared to last year. Last year we had 8,501.
Nigo mosikio badia na chibasari go chasabana chintakana boiga bana bali chisekondari batabwati ko enyara gusaba bwato mwibori yomo na bali bali ase university okwena nuko kwakoretwe gwanchereria gutayo.
Very simple criteria of trying to assist students who orphaned, total orphans, by giving them a total of 10,000 shillings per student, while allocating the rest of us who have both parents or who have a single parent, a total of 4,000 for secondary schools and 7,000 shillings for universities. Distribution of allocations was very equitable. We did not look at who voted where, because our children don't have to be subjected to some of this negative attributes that we as human beings have. So we have been able to distribute our bursaries very, very fairly. And as an office, I would like to thank my committee, the CDF committee. I'd like to thank the parents of Bomachoge Borabu. I'd like to thank the students. I'd like to thank especially the organizers of this event for making it such a colorful event. I'm actually totally very happy.
Na Minja Joseph executive secretary okupet Kisii County niga saba serikali go kichibesa se chiskuru asedora ne shilingi cha chirense kworo kiuchumi gokea.
Our principals, they have just given their remarks here about the capitation. Let us hope, and this one should go to the media. Let us hope that is an hearsay. It should not be something we have to take serious. That the government is going to cut down the capitation of our institutions when our country is doing very well economically. The dollar is doing very well. Our shilling now is strengthening. It has gone below 140. That means the economy is doing very well. Something has been a nightmare in our institutions now. Principals, if they tell you the people they are employing as board of management in our institutions, you will be surprised that all the monies that come to our institutions just get vanished.
Watakana nekyo kia morusio mokonyi bomo governor bisi nigo moskobadia asabo mo governor Simbarati konyoro mokonyi oyora lete abantu ba Gusii amo.
We wouldn't like to see wrangles, but be it as it may, the process has played its course and the deputy governor has been impeached. What I would like to advise the governor is find a suitable deputy who is going to unite our people. That's very important.
Gingo reporter yegeta seni Ndizi TV korwe bunge ya Bomachoge Borabu Erietaria Nenjuli Kerubo.